lick my kitty cat. Come and ice me out, boy, you know how to make these bitches mad.
Don't wait the wig market looming. You need to step in today. Do you see this? In Africa, wigs are an essential part of everyday life. Demand for hair is high all year round, not seasonal. That means selling wigs brings a steady cash flow. Customers willing to pay more for quality and beautiful style. Havina Hair 100% human hair in Vietnam. Direct factory price. Wide range of style and color to meet all customer needs. Fast, safe, on-time, international shipping. Full support to help you start your business easily. Good quality product keep your customer coming back.